prize for making flight demonstrations together. More demonstrations. I'll join the tight dinosaur. Well, 2 flights sold. Lieutenant Scott Fish from Alexandria, Virginia is the narrator for the flight demonstration, as well as the pilot for the news media representative. The 6 demonstration pilots are approaching the end of the runway to begin their takeoff sequence. Very shortly, Captain Waters will call the 4 Diamond pilots, and as they lift off, Lieutenant Commander Anderson will call for the landing gear flaps to come up, and they'll commence the Diamond learner loop on takeoff. Now, to the left, the Blue Angel Diamond is going. As they pass the first Passing 90 degrees nose up, the smoke comes on as Captain Waters calls for the selection of afterburner by the 4 Diamond pilots. As the airspeed increases, the pilots experience 4 times the pull of gravity required to round out the backside of this looping maneuver. 70 miles per hour and climbs to an altitude of 50 feet. He will then roll his aircraft 360 degrees with a landing gear. Back to the left. Pulling through the inverted. He completes the split S after takeoff and will exit the flight line to the left.
Turn around. The opposing tight base pass. Over the top, you get a plan-form view of the tight Blue Angel Diamond. Our 2 solo pilots are approaching once again. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing minimum radius turn. Now, let's watch as both pilots sustain 6 times the pull of gravity required across their aircraft over center point. Completing the roll to the right. Let's watch as the 3 wingmen smoothly shift back into the Blue Angel Diamond, experiencing heavy G. They will climb straight up into the vertical as they perform the very difficult 5-plane line abreast loop. Exiting the flight line in a separate direction. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel vertical brake. Crossing over center point, they'll execute a maximum performance climb with a split S reversal. The section, High Alpha Pass. Rounding out the backside. Each pilot will perform its individual brake turn and will exit the flight line in a separate direction. A very graceful barrel roll brake. Tuck over roll. Position on the leader as they roll 360 degrees over center point. Over the top, you get a plan-form view of the Blue Angel Big V formation. The 1996 team takes a great deal of pride in saluting Navy and Marine pilots, maintenance crews, and support personnel everywhere. From the left, the Blue Angels, 1996. One of the unique demands placed upon a naval aviator is that he be able to land his aircraft upon a ship at sea. Whether it be a tactical jet, a propeller-driven aircraft, or one of our helicopters, each requires skill, which the naval aviator must master. In order to perfect this technique, Navy and Marine pilots spend a great deal of time in the landing pattern practicing carrier approaches. Very shortly, Captain will order to each of the demonstration pilots will be performing a carrier approach. Approaching the runway from the top, Captain orders is confirming that the landing checks have been completed, and that in fact each aircraft is ready to land.
distance for the proper touchdown point. The 6 demonstration pilots you've been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angel team. The men and women in blue uniforms standing before you are members of the elite Blue Angel maintenance crew. Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each year for the past 49 years provided us with the 100% aircraft availability necessary to perform each of these demonstrations. As the aircraft taxi back, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce to you the Blue Angel maintenance crew. Maintenance Chief Dennis Thurkelson from Kalamazoo, Michigan. Scotty Johnson from New Orleans, Louisiana. Crew Coordinator Paul Benny from Long Island, New York. Crew Chief number 1, Shane Owens from Cunningham, Kentucky. First Mech Bill Schomer from Lorain, Ohio. Crew Chief number 2, Peter Ford from London, England. First Mech Mike Graham from Linesville, Pennsylvania. Crew Chief number 3, Ken Kuchler from Butte, Montana. First Mech Brian Hawkins from Elkhorn, Wisconsin. Crew Chief number 4, Steve Miller from Olympia, Washington. First Mech Scott Pollock from Jamestown, New York. Crew Chief number 5, Ike Edwards from Fort Worth, Texas. First Mech Tom Hunter from Denver, Colorado. Crew Chief number 6, Mike Pipp from Gainesville, Georgia. First Mech Kevin Schmidt from New